In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily add a really cool and engaging caption to your Filmora video. So you probably have seen many videos on YouTube or also Instagram and TikTok where people are narrating the video, but there's also some caption that's kind of, have a karaoke style where wherever word is being mentioned, the word in the caption will be highlighted. And that's actually very good for engagement, and not to mention it may be helpful for people that have a problem with their hearing, or also people with or prefer to just read the content instead of listening, or maybe they just want to enjoy your content in the public without having to turn up the volume. So in Filmora there is actually an AI feature that allows you to do so, and here's how you can use that. First, you have to prepare a video or an audio file. And here I have the audio narration of Harry Potter. It's only less than 25 seconds and I'm going to play it.
Harry Potter is a young wizard who discovers his magical heritage on his 11th birthday when he receives a letter of acceptance to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry.
Right, so that was the audio. By the way, I made this using ChatGPT, and I'm using 11 Labs to actually turn the text into speech. And now I'm going to be using AI in Filmora to turn the speech into text, into some caption. So what you need to do is that you have to put the video or the audio into the timeline, and then you want to go to this speech to text. And here, as you can see, there is speech to text. There is also dynamic captions. This is the one that you want to use. You want to select dynamic captions. If you want to get a traditional looking, subtitle like movies, then this is the option. But if you want to create a video that you want to publish on the internet, then I think dynamic captions is a lot better. And that's the one that I'm going to use in this demonstration. Here you can select the audio, but I think it's English. I'm going to select that. And you have the option to translate the audio. If you want to create a translation subtitle, basically, then you can select that. But in this case, it's not necessary. And the clip to be converted, this is, if you can select either just the clip that you just select or all the sequence of the video, all the clips in the video. Of course, I'm going to select this option and I'm going to click generate. And by the way, keep in mind that it's going to cost you some credits, so be sure that you have enough credits to use the dynamic captions feature in Filmora. Let's do that. Okay, now it is going to read the content. Basically, it's going to turn that into text and then use the text to it's going to match the text with the audio file with the timing. So when certain words are being spoken, the text will appear. It's going to be seamless, it's engaging, it's going to be almost like a subtitle, except this is a caption, not a subtitle. Right, so I'm going to play it and you'll see the result. I'm going to click play.
Harry Potter is a young wizard who discovers his magical heritage on his 11th birthday when he receives a letter of acceptance to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Orphaned as a baby, Harry had been living with his neglectful aunt and uncle.
Okay, I think that's good enough. That looks pretty because there is a highlight every time there is a word being mentioned. There's going to be this yellow color, turn the text into a yellow color. But the question is, how do you change the style? Because this is just one style. There are many other styles that Filmora offer. There are different font sizes, color, theme, etc. So how do you access that menu? Well, what you need to do is that you have to click on the file, on the caption, or you can also just select all of them. And here on the right side area of your Filmora editor, there's going to be a lot of styles that you could select for your video. And let's try, maybe I'm gonna try this style. It's simple, or maybe this style. I think this style is very popular, but there is only one one word appear at a time. And I'm going to try this. Let's click this and click apply to all. Okay, I believe it has been applied, but I didn't see any confirmation or anything. Oh, okay, well, there is no info about it, but that's okay.
Harry Potter is a young wizard who discovers his magical heritage on his 11th birthday when he receives a letter of acceptance to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry.
I think that's pretty good. So that's essentially how you can create an auto caption in Filmora, and you can turn it into something that is more engaging by accessing this template on the right side section of the editor. So if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.